Hottest cryptocurrency is up 330% this year and its name isn't Bitcoin. This year's top-performing cryptocurrency is up more than threefold, and you've likely never heard of it. Litecoin, which has gained more than 330% since the beginning of the year, is outpacing all its crypto peers, including Ether and XRP, as well as the best-known and largest token Bitcoin. It has a market cap. The rally can partly be attributed to Litecoin's upcoming halving, also known as halvening, whereby the number of coins awarded to so-called miners is slashed by 50%. The idea is that a halving typically happens roughly, and the run-up to it has, in the past, coincided with a rally in the underlying tokens. 4 years ago, every time we've seen a halving event in Bitcoin or Litecoin, the price has risen astronomically, said Matty Greenspan, senior market analyst at trading platform eToro, in a phone interview. So if that pattern, cryptocurrencies are undergoing a renaissance this year on the back of wider from mainstream institutions and increased attention from Wall Street. Trade. These developments, among others, have pushed up the price of Bitcoin by 120% since the beginning of the year. Ether, too, the elements behind the rally are justifiable and real and factual, said David Towell, president of crypto hedge fund Process Hind Capital. It's just a question, but the recent resurgence in digital assets is masking, and relatively few are using Bitcoin, the world's largest cryptocurrency, for anything other than speculation. Merchant transact, related video blockchain, what it is, why it matters and whether it will change everything, provided by NBC News. That begs the question, if hardly anyone is using the world's largest cryptocurrency, then who's using Litecoin? After peaking in January 2018, Litecoin transactions are down dramatically, falling about 84% since the peak. They are up, since Litecoin only thrives if Bitcoin is valuable, said Aaron Brown, an investor who writes for Bloomberg Opinion. It's an established. Litecoin's founder, Charlie Lee, cashed out of all of his holdings at the height of the digital asset bubble in 2017 when the token was trading for about $375. It was prescient. Critics accused Lee of recognizing the frenzy around digital assets and cashing out ahead of a severe decline. Lee told Bloomberg, but now, with 53 days to go, Litecoin fans will continue to until the halving. It's a good potential.
Raindrop, drop top smoking, no cooking the hot pot. Fucking on your bitch, yeah, that. Looking up, open the park pot.